So this is where we are now. I'm going to lift my plastic away and put that in the bin, and you'll say, how do I get this big shape out of this little hole? Well, it's like giving birth, ladies and gentlemen. We have to go into labour, and there's a period of dilation, okay? So we're going to help. We're going to put our fingers in underneath the little lip, the ridge, and run around. And I can already feel that it's not stuck to the block. You can hear it, you can feel the shape underneath moving a bit. I'm running around, I'm keeping my hands even, I'm not pinching it and grabbing it. You have to think of it, you're evenly lifting up that lip a bit. You can already see it's lifted up nicely. I'm not going to be putting it up completely vertical, otherwise you lose the shape of the block. I'm just going to take a knife, nothing sharp, nothing too fancy, you know, an old knife that you have lying around the house that you be using for hats in future. I've been running around, okay. There's a movement in it, I can feel it moving under. I put my knife underneath and I'll flick it out.